Today, we are comparing three enterprise documentation platforms through one question. Which platform gives AI agents the best documentation? The platforms are Document 360, Mintlify, and GitBook. All three help teams publish content, but AI documentation has higher standards. AI agents need accurate answers, structured content, metadata, permissions, analytics, API access, integrations, and reusable knowledge. So let's start with Document 360. Document 360 is built as an enterprise knowledge base and documentation platform, making it especially relevant for AI-powered documentation. Its strength is organizing and managing knowledge at scale. For AI search quality, Document 360 provides a strong foundation because content can be categorized, tagged, versioned, and structured clearly. This helps humans and AI systems retrieve better answers. If an AI agent uses documentation as a knowledge source, clear structure reduces confusion and improves reliability. Structured content is one of Document 360's biggest advantages. Teams can organize articles into categories, manage product documentation, maintain knowledge bases, and support different audiences. This matters because AI agents work best when information is predictable and classified. Metadata and taxonomy are major strengths. Enterprises need to define what content is about, who owns it, which product it supports, and how it should be found. Document 360 helps create a documentation system that is easier to search, reuse, analyze, and govern. For API documentation, Document 360 supports interactive API docs, valuable for engineering teams and AI agents that need clear technical references. For knowledge reuse, it supports teams maintaining repeated content across products, versions, and customer-facing portals. Integrations matter because enterprise documentation does not live in isolation. Teams need workflows connected to support, product, engineering, and collaboration tools. Document 360 fits well into this environment. Enterprise permissions and content governance are where Document 360 stands out. Large teams need roles, reviewers, access control, versioning, and approval workflows. This helps prevent outdated or unapproved information from becoming the source for AI-generated answers. Analytics are another key advantage. Teams can see what users search for, which articles help, and where content gaps exist. This improves documentation quality, and better documentation means better AI retrieval. AI authoring capabilities also matter. Document 360 helps teams create and improve documentation faster while keeping content organized and reviewable. AI should speed up documentation without weakening governance. Now, let's look at Mintlify. Mintlify is a strong choice for developer-focused teams. Its biggest advantage is API documentation. It offers clean layouts, interactive API references, and a docs as code workflow that fits naturally with engineering teams. For AI search quality, Mintlify performs well because it is built around technical discovery. Developers can search across product and API information quickly, and AI features can help users find answers faster when content is organized. For structured content, Mintlify is strong around API references, tutorials, and developer guides. However, its structure is mainly focused on developer experience, not broad enterprise knowledge management. Metadata and taxonomy are useful, but may not be deep enough for large organizations managing multiple products, roles, and portals. For knowledge reuse, Mintlify works best when engineering teams want docs aligned with code and APIs. Integrations are another strength, especially for developer workflows. But for enterprise permissions, governance, analytics, and lifecycle management, Mintlify may feel more specialized than complete. Now let's look at GitBook. GitBook is simple, collaborative, and easy to adopt. Its biggest strength is usability. That makes GitBook great for teams that want to move fast and keep knowledge accessible. For AI source quality, GitBook offers AI-powered search and an assistant-style experience that helps readers ask questions from documentation. This is useful because users no longer need to know exactly where information is located. They can ask a question and receive a guided answer. For structured content, GitBook is clean and flexible. It works well for internal knowledge, product guides, and public documentation. However, when documentation becomes complex, with multiple versions, taxonomy, metadata, strict permissions, and approval requirements, GitBook can feel more general purpose. Its metadata and taxonomy capabilities are helpful, but not always as enterprise-focused as AI agent readiness requires. API documentation is supported, but GitBook is not as API specialized as Mintlify. Knowledge reuse is possible and integrations make collaboration easier, but GitBook's main value is simple writing and publishing. Enterprise permissions and governance exist, but larger organizations often need stronger control over approvals, ownership, analytics, content freshness, and access levels. GitBook supports collaboration well, but may require more planning to reach a mature governance model. GitBook is strong for collaborative knowledge sharing, but for AI agents, documentation must be structured, governed, and measurable. Mintlify is excellent for API-first developer teams. GitBook is excellent for simple collaboration and accessible knowledge sharing, but for enterprise AI documentation, Document 360 offers the strongest overall fit. It combines AI search quality, structured content, metadata, taxonomy, API documentation, integration, knowledge reuse, enterprise permissions, content governance, analytics, AI authoring, and agent readiness into one complete platform. If documentation is scattered, outdated, or poorly governed, the agent will struggle. But if documentation is structured, researchable, reusable, the agent becomes much more reliable. For technical writers, product teams, developer documentation teams, and engineering leaders who want documentation ready for humans and AI agents, Document 360 stands out as the best enterprise choice. If this comparison helped you, like this video, subscribe for more practical AI tool breakdowns, and comment down below which documentation platform your team is using. For more comparisons focused on AI agents, enterprise tools, and knowledge management, stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye!